Second question, how to find the uniform convergence by using MN test. In this case, fnx is nx upon 1 plus n square x square. We have to test that the sequence does not converges uniformly on 0, 1. Fx is limit n approaches to infinity fnx, that is equal to limit n approaches to infinity nx upon 1 plus n square x square. So when you solve this, you will get the value 0. Now we have to use MN test. It means we have to prove that if supremum of fnx minus fx, that is our MN, if this approaches to 0 as n approaches to infinity, then the sequence is uniformly convergent. So we have to find the supremum value of fnx minus fx. So fnx minus fx is equal to nx upon fnx minus fx is nx upon 1 plus n square x square. So we have to find the maximum value of this function. So we take dy upon dx is equal to 0. Then you will get that x is equal to 1 upon n. And when x is equal to 1 upon n, fx means the function nx upon 1 plus n square x square has the maximum value. At x is equal to 1 upon n, the function has the maximum value. And the maximum value, when you calculate the maximum value, supremum of fnx minus fx, that is equal to supremum of nx over 1 plus n square x square. This one is substituting the x is equal to 1 upon n. Then you will get the value 1 upon 2. Now this is Mn, and by Mn test we know that the sequence is convergent if Mn approaches to 0 as n approaches to infinity. But in this case Mn is our 1 by 2. This is not approaches to 0, hence the sequence is not uniformly convergent. So next question is, now this is the question of series. We have to check if the series is uniformly convergent, and in last lecture we have discussed the Wester's M test for series, that if the series sigma unx is uniformly convergent, if the series, each term of series is less than Mn, and if sigma Mn is convergent, then sigma unx is convergent. So in this case, first we check that if unx is less than equal to Mn, and if Mn is convergent, then series is convergent. So in this case unx is our x upon n plus x square raised to power 2. Now if we find the maximum value of the function unx, we know that the maximum value of any function has the value, then its maximum value is always less than all values. So in this case, first we find the maximum value. To find the maximum value, again we use the method of derivative. We differentiate the function dy upon dx and equating this to 0, then you will get the two values of x. X is equal to root n upon 3 plus minus root n upon 3. So you see that you find the second order derivative, and that is negative at x is equal to root n upon 3. It means function has the maximum value at x is equal to root n upon 3. Now when you find the maximum value of unx at x is equal to root n upon 3, and you will get the value is 3 root 3 upon 16 n raised to power 3 by 2 by substituting x is equal to root n by 3 in this case. Now unx is, because this is maximum value, unx is less than equal to 3 root 3 over 16 n raised to power 3 by 2. So you can see that this is on right hand side we have the terms only considering value n, and in this case we have not a function of x. So by mn test, when rest as m test, if right hand side we have the term without x, and if this series sigma 3 root 3 over 16 n raised to power 3 by 2, if this series is convergent, then sigma un is uniformly convergent. So we have to check only if this series is convergent or not. Now this series, we can compare this with sigma n raised to power p. We know that this series is convergent if p is greater than 1. Now in this case, the series have n raised to power 3 by 2 and 3 by 2, so p is 3 by 2, that is greater than 1. So this series is convergent, hence the series, whole series is uniformly convergent. Thank you.